evening in 2009, a commuter aircraft descended toward Buffalo, New York. Continental Connection Flight 3407 never reached the runway. The turboprop aircraft entered an aerodynamic stall and crashed into a residential neighborhood, claiming the lives of all passengers and crew, along with one person on the ground. While the official cause was pilot error, the investigation revealed a deeper story, a troubling pattern of deferred maintenance, overlooked warning signs, and a breakdown in operational discipline. It's a grim reminder that in aviation, failure rarely begins with a single catastrophic moment. More often, it starts quietly. A missed inspection, a delayed service interval, a component that wears down unnoticed. The line between routine oversight and disaster is thin, and that's exactly why the world of scheduled aircraft maintenance exists. Commercial aviation has earned its title as the safest mode of transportation, not because of good fortune, but because of systems. These systems include not just sophisticated engineering and automation, but also an unrelenting commitment to inspection, verification, and proactive service. At the core of that commitment lies a structured sequence of maintenance activities known as A, B, C, and D checks. These checks are the backbone of aviation maintenance, a layered framework that determines when and how every part of an aircraft is inspected, serviced, tested, and certified as safe to fly. These maintenance checks are required by international regulatory bodies such as the FAA in the United States and EASA in Europe. They are applied to every commercial aircraft in operation today, regardless of size, airline, or mission. Each check level, A, B, C, and D, serves a different purpose, occurs at different intervals, and involves varying degrees of technical depth. The A check is the most frequent and least invasive, performed during short ground stops or overnight. The B check, which is now often absorbed into the A check program, serves as a mid-level inspection and system test. The C check is far more comprehensive, grounding the aircraft for days while technicians access internal systems and structure. The D check is a full overhaul, where the aircraft is stripped down to its bare frame and examined inch by inch, a process that can take months and cost millions. These checks are not just about regulatory compliance, they are essential to safety and operational reliability. Aircraft operate under extreme stress. They undergo rapid pressurization and depressurization cycles, fly through a range of atmospheric conditions, endure structural loads, and accumulate wear across thousands of components. Without structured inspection intervals, these stresses would silently degrade system integrity. Maintenance checks are designed to prevent that, to catch the fatigue crack before it grows, to replace the hydraulic line before it leaks, to reset the tolerance before it drifts beyond limit. History has shown us what happens when this discipline slips. In 1985, Japan Airlines Flight 123 suffered a catastrophic structural failure after takeoff, resulting in the deadliest single aircraft accident in history. The rear pressure bulkhead failed due to a faulty repair made years earlier, an issue that evaded detection in routine inspections. In another case, a Lauda Air flight crashed in 1991 following an uncommanded thrust reverser deployment. Though the focus fell on design flaws, the investigation raised questions about maintenance practices and whether system redundancy had been properly verified. Even in more recent times, the 2018 engine failure aboard Southwest Flight 1380, caused by a fractured fan blade, led to renewed emphasis on non-destructive testing methods and component tracking for high-cycle parts. These incidents, while rare, carry enduring lessons. They show that maintenance isn't a background process. It is central to the entire aviation system. It is the quiet discipline that enables the industry to operate with such remarkable safety, moving millions of passengers each day with near zero fatality rates. This series is built to take you inside that discipline. Over the coming chapters, we will explore how aircraft are maintained to exacting standards. Each part of the series will focus on one level of scheduled maintenance, what it includes, how it is planned, who performs it, and what tools are required to do it effectively. We will start with the A check, fast, routine, and often performed at night while the aircraft is parked at the gate. Then we'll move through the more comprehensive B and C checks, which involve deeper inspection cycles and more advanced diagnostics. We'll finish with the D check, a full system teardown that represents the most complex and costly phase of any aircraft's life cycle. But this series will go beyond task lists and procedures. We'll look at the human and technical challenges of executing maintenance reliably. We'll examine how MRO facilities prepare for checks weeks in advance, how maintenance engineers coordinate logistics, and how data plays an increasingly critical role in shaping inspection intervals. We'll also examine how emerging technologies, such as real-time system health monitoring, predictive analytics, and smart tooling, are redefining how and when maintenance is performed. If you work in aviation, whether on the hangar floor, in engineering, or in operational planning, this series is designed to reflect the reality you live every day. And if you're outside the industry but curious about what really keeps aircraft flying, you'll gain insight into a world that few passengers ever get to see. Understanding scheduled maintenance isn't just about appreciating complexity. It's about recognizing that aviation's safety record is not a coincidence. It's the result of millions of hours of disciplined work, repeated inspection, and engineered redundancy. Every flight you take is made possible not only by pilots and air traffic controllers, but by those who inspect landing gear tolerances, test backup batteries, lubricate elevator hinges, and replace out-of-cycle fasteners. These are the invisible acts that ensure the visible journey. If you've ever looked out your window during a flight and wondered what keeps those wings safe, this series is for you. We invite you to follow along, subscribe to our channel, and join us on a detailed journey through the world of aviation maintenance. In the next episode, we'll begin where it all starts, the A-check. It's quick, often unseen, and absolutely critical. Because in aviation, it's not the complexity of the aircraft that ensures safety. It's the precision and discipline of those who maintain it.